This is my wife's Chrysler 300. The battery has been getting a little weak over the years, and now that it's wintertime and it's -4 degrees out up here in Indiana, now it's having a really hard time starting. So we went ahead and ordered a brand new Optima DH7 yellow top battery. This is an 880 cold cranking amps. It's a 1000 cranking amps. This is an AGM battery. So let's go ahead and let's swap out the old one and the new one. Okay, so we popped the trunk open, and you can see there's a little corrosion there on the battery terminal. And we'll go ahead and start with removing the negative. There's also just a little strap that holds the battery in place. We shouldn't have to remove the spare tire.
Now, we order our batteries straight from the Optima website, which offers free shipping, but you can also get it at a lot of local auto parts stores.
Now there is a bracket down here with a 10mm bolt. We'll remove that and take out the bracket for the hold down. Should just be able to lift the battery right out. Now this is a battery terminal cleaner. We'll go ahead and clean the corrosion off that positive terminal. So doing a quick comparison side by side, you can see they're pretty much the same size, same height, and the terminals are on the same side. They're even the same width. Now that these batteries have been compared, let's go ahead and toss it in. Good, put our bracket back in. Then we'll go ahead and put our strap back on. Then we'll put our terminals back on, starting with the positive terminal. Now we're going to go ahead and install our negative after we plug this little guy back in. And then we'll just tighten up our terminal. Alright, and that is it. Undo our hook. And we're done.